Well, as you can see, the exhaust is on the car. Looks nice, nice and pretty good with the body. I like the way it looks. I like the way it sounds. As you can see, I finally got around and put this lip spoiler on the car, and so that worked out really well. It's pretty easy to do. It's just a little bit. I like the way the C4s look, and I think this is a little bit without being too much. I did get some parts from a guy, and one of the things I did get was this is all the antenna I have for my car. So I'm hoping to. I got another power antenna, and I think between the two I can make it work. But yeah, it's busted pretty good. Anyway, but I really like the spoiler. It's nice. It's just a little bit, not much. Well, the problem is now, of course, as I was driving it home, the rear end, something broke in the rear end, so it doesn't go no more. Anyway, so that's the problem now. So today I'm gonna spin the car around, push the car around, and take the rear end apart, see what happened, see about finding another rear end. So, and if you've been watching my other vehicle, my Silverado there, that rear end exploded about 3 months ago or so. That one exploded about 3 months ago. So this is getting real old, fixing rear ends. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, here's the problem. The rear universal, the straps on the in the yoke for the rear differential from the drive shaft to the differential broke one side, sheared them off completely, and then the drive shaft started flopping around. So while it's not a rear end, it's still unfortunate. Anyway. Okay, so I thought I would show you this. There was actually two of the bolts for the strap had actually sheared off inside the yoke. I've pulled one already, and this is the second one. This was sheared this was actually below inside the yoke itself. So, but I thought I would show you, I got lucky. Anyway, I put the bolt in the backside, and pushed the remainder. I am pushing the remainder out. So, you might get lucky and get it. The other one I used a small pair of pliers and some, little screwdriver, and kind of worked its way out. So, but yeah. So I should be getting this out here in a second, and I can do the drive shaft, and then I can start to reinstall.